Yeah, brother, this is what I got in my pocket right now. With a tail. There's raton. But yeah, this is a button lock. Tenable knives. Ferrier. Which means fox. And look, they engraved it for me. Sweet, right? I got that. I got this. The Astropunk. This is nice, bro. I just took the black handles off the green and switched the jade handles onto that and put the black onto this. This shit is sweet. Look at that blade. I wish they'd make a live blade out of this. Alright, so we got that. And what else? What else we got? We got the tech knife, or the CEO executive knife. Colorado knife and tool. Yeah, bro. This is a nice one. I keep this one perfect. But I've cut a lot of shit already, and you can't even tell. But yeah, man. Loading it up. How's it getting up there? Is it getting cool? Alright, I got some other shit, but I can't pull that shit out without getting up. So yeah, another time. Peace, bro.